a vegetable, if a particular section of a refrigerator in which there are some vegetables or something which takes less energy or do not take that much of cooling. So the temperature could be increased, and I think the temperature could be increased by just detecting the product inside that particular section, and the energy could be utilized and could be saved in this
Okay, it
manner.
means there will be different section into the particular gadget and concern product of for kind of
Yes,
microwave and refrigerator.
we can just distribute sections
Okay,
and store into the data set of the AI so that AI can detect and just
accordingly it
classify
could. Okay, class.
accordingly. It can classify the
Yeah,
sections.
sections and energy could be the consumption or distribution of energy could be provided
Yes.
accordingly. Okay, great.
Okay. So proceeding on the next slide.
Sure.
Okay. So revolutionizing learning with AI. That is the personalized education, we can say. AI technology customizes learning experience tailored to each student's unique pace and understanding. Uh, AI can revolutionize learning and personalize it through various features like custom learning paths, individualized apps, adaptive learning, engagement boost, and enhanced outcomes. Custom learning paths, as AI technology creates unique educational journeys tailored to each student needs and skills. For example, if a particular student is weak in maths, but weak at weak at maths, but good in English, good at Eng- good at English. So the AI would recommend the particular student to focus and give more of his time to practice maths, and should balance their working hours according to their needs. Individualized apps as yes,
As you have mentioned
yes,
that we are having the customized learning and we can proceed with the gray area of us, whatever the gray area that concerned student has. As you have just mentioned, if someone is not good at mathematics and English and literature and whatever, so you can just customize your course. So what would be the way to customize the course? Because I think one needs to understand what kind of prompt has to be written, because it is total, AI is nothing but kind of face. So
yes.
sorry
So I
for the
think
interruption. Sorry for the interruption. You are just
okay.
talking about the AI, but I am also just willing to come to know from your side how, like, it is, how does it depend over the user? And because if AI is a user friendly application or concern software, so what is the role of prompt writing? What is the
Yes, sir.
role
I
of
think
prompt writing when it comes to usage of AI?
yes, sir. I think in this particular case, prompt writing would not be would not facilitate in that much criteria. So I think there would be better so that the AI generates uh, assessment kind of something for the students uh, on the basic uh, on the basis of for their subjects, and then the AI would only uh, assess them on the score or on the regular score they are taking in the assessments,
Okay.
and from those only the AI would uh, consider that how that what time should be given to which subject for that particular student.
Okay.
The
Great.
prompt will be given. I think the prompt writing or the prompt giving should be done by the developers. It is the developer's role to give the prompt to the AI so that in a different
No, what
platform.
was my question? What was my question actually? Because the AI is the like fully programmed software. So being a user, we must know how to just give the prompt because it is total up to us. What the prompt as the prompt is given, accordingly AI will react. That was my question. That because
Okay.
as you have just mentioned that now there is a customized learning AI is providing, but the user must know how to write the customized prompt. For an example, I am not
Okay.
good at English literature, and the concern part of mine is not that good enough. So I need to just I must know how to write prompt to get that those particular content for me, so that I could just I could just like get over and I could just overcome that concern part of my subject or topic.
Okay. Okay. Yes. So. I think there should be any it is the developer's role first to that the prompts should be of limited access.
Okay,
Just like in the chat GPT, we see that
correct.
there are many limitations of it. Sometimes we see that the users try to just try to just manipulate so that the chat GPT, we can see the examples like a prompt where some user is giving a prompt to ChatGPT to act like ChatGPT Pro.
Hmm.
So there are limitations so that the ChatGPT can just take orders or take the prompts till a limit only. And for example, and more understandable the AI should be. But before this, we can for the users to be friendly with the prompts, there can be a guideline or a rule book that could be provided to them, uh, so that they just get comfortable with the prompts or what prompts that they should give to the AI, so that they can uh, get the best of it.
You can proceed for the next, please.
Oh, okay, so transforming healthcare with AI, exploring the impact on AI on diagnosis, surgery, and personalized treatment in modern medicine. Uh, so AI enhances diagnosis speed and accuracy. The robotic surgeries are becoming very prevalent in nowadays. Personalized treatment plans through AI are more impactful than the public treatment plans or the common treatment plans. Uh, for that, AI enhances diagnosis speed and accuracy. We can say if artificial intelligence is revolutionizing healthcare by providing faster and more accurate diagnosis, enabling timely treatment as one as a human can be unavailable at a time or cannot cure as many of the as many patients as a artificial intelligence tool or a gadget can treat them as uh, as according to the data set that artificial intelligence can get the reports and advise person uh, to get such treatments done. uh, mm, even it when it comes to the personalized part, uh, diagnosis can be more efficient when some gadget or thing get personalized of a particular human, as if a human is suffering from diabetes and one is not suffering from diabetes, then the diagnosis should be done in the separate phase, as the tests or treatments necessary for diagnosing diabetes can save the life of one who don't have those diseases. So at part the importance should be getting the so that the person in can